Hello again, everybody. Watching our Breakaway SC box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Trilogy full display box break number 33. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Just got a short announcement to make. If you go to our website, breakawaysc.com, we're doing a big Labor Day event. We're cracking open 4 cases of Prime. So we're how we have some pretty cool giveaways that we're going to be giving away on the 2nd. Just click on the page here and it'll take you right to the actual page where we have the breaks listed. So we have a team select case break. So there's still some teams available. Also, we have a showdown half case versus half case break, and then we have a 2-case switch draft case break, and we're giving away some pretty cool prizes. We're giving away 25 redemption packs we got from the Fan Expo in Toronto from Panini. For the team select break, the showdown case break, we're giving away a box of Rookie Anthology to one lucky person, and then for the switch draft break, we're giving away a box of Prime to one lucky person. So the link to this page will be, you'll see it in the email that you got the link to the Trilogy break to. We're starting at 7 p.m. All the information's here, how to make payment, what the cost is, what we're giving away. We've got some pretty cool giveaways. We've got trivia throughout the night. So we're giving away a lot of Fan Expo redemption packs. Also on Vaughn Live, when we're on, we're giving away 5 Panini Expo redemption packs to anybody that buys a box of Rookie Anthology. And then we're giving away 15 redemption packs to anybody that buys a box of Prime while we're live on Vaughn. So if you're interested, check us out, breakawaysc.com. Should be a good night. Prime's been a pretty darn good product. A lot of people have been happy with it. So here we go. The Trilogy break. So in the box is NE199880083. That's NE199880083. So good luck, everybody. Star Spotlight, Past, Present, Future of Eric Lindros, Claude Giroux, and Scott Lawton for the Flyers. We have Rookie Rumors level 2 hit for the Stars of Jack Campbell, 61 out of 399. We have an Ice Scripts hit for the Flyers of Eric Lindros. Nice hit for the Flyers. Inner box number 2. We got a crystal hit for Eric Carlson for the Senators. Eric Carlson. Got a nice hit for the Oilers. It's a Rookie Rumors level 2 of Neil Yakupov, 321 out of 399. Nice hit for the Oilers. And we have Rookie Mirrors level 1 of Jack Campbell for the Stars. 260 at a 39 or 699. And the last inner box. Here, redemption. It's a signature puck set for the Canadiens of Rafael Diaz. Star Spotlight National Trios of Alex Ovechkin, Pavel Datsyuk, and Nail Yakupov. Randomized at the end between the Capitals, Red Wings, and Oilers. And the last pack. We have a Rookie Members Level 1 hit for the Ducks of Emerson Edom, 440 at a 699. So let me just get the rain set up 1 second. So here we go between Washington, Detroit, and Edmonton. Randomize it 3 times. Good luck. There's 1, 2, and 3. Second card goes to Washington, so congrats to Washington. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.